I'm going to show you how to allow camera access on your Canva app. So Canva is a app that uses a lot of your photos for videos and projects and templates and all thumbnails and all these things, but you need camera access. So let's go to our Canva app, and you can do this through the Canva app, but you should be able to do this through your settings as well. So when you open up Canva, and let's go to the photo editor here. And as you see, I do not have camera access. So from this app, what you can do is hit this and you'll be directed to the settings on your actual phone here. So let's go to access camera roll. And it immediately brings us to the Canva settings that are in your iPhone. So what we can do here is go to our photos. And as you see, mine is selected to none. You can have limited access or just allow full access. And then this notification will come up. You would just go ahead and hit allow full access. And from that point forward, you should be able to use your photos in Canva. So let's go back to our Canva. And let's go ahead to the photo editor. And from that point forward, you should be able to upload any photo that you want. And let's hit the check mark so it kind of pops up here. And we'll create some kind of design here. But that's it. It's super simple and super easy to go ahead and allow camera access to Canva on your iPhone.